Snackers, yo, what's up? Pretzels here. I'm graduating today. Yeah, you can probably tell. I mean, I'm not dressing like this just for fun. So I'm graduating today. I'm gonna be moving out of town. You know, my parents are here for the graduation, and then I'll take a ride home with them. Yeah, it's going down in 7 hours. So you know that's something. It's weird because just yesterday I was scrambling to get coursework done, and I guess I got it done, and now I'm graduating, which is it's definitely something. It's the end of something for sure. You know, they call it commencement because it's the beginning of something. You know, keeping us optimists. But yeah, it's the end of. Okay, so my Adobe subscription is like $29 a month. That's under the student discount. It's going to be once I cease to be a student, it's going to shoot up to like $70 or $80 a month. I don't have a job, so you know I might need to temporarily suspend my subscription to that until I get a job sometime. You know, so I won't be able to afford it. Right, I wouldn't be able to afford it at the normal rates as it is, even with my plasma thing going on, which is also ending. So, you know, with no Adobe, I won't be able to edit these videos. There was this free program, but it was just a trial version, whatever. I don't know. It was just a trial version, and I keep on having to delete it, and then, you know, reinstall the trial version. No, I'm not doing that. So, yeah, I guess I'm ceasing. I might be ceasing these videos for a while. One thing for sure, though, is definitely right now, you know, I mean, Adobe is still going to exist, but right now, what this means is I'm using Egyptian Slate as my chosen font. I just love slab serifs, right? They're Egyptian slab serifs. But that's under fonts.com, I think, student contract, basically the honor system saying that I'm going to stop using / get rid of that font pack once I cease being a student, which is, you know, in 7 hours. So just getting this video up while I still have the access to one of my favorite typefaces of all time. You know, I'm probably going to have to switch over to Rockwell up here. You know, I hope I'm being consistent with where I put the brackets in. I hope it's in frame. So yeah, that's another thing that's going to be ending, but that's a minor thing, but I just really love Egyptian Slate. Rockwell is a bit rounder, I think. I did a comparison earlier. Just on a, yeah, but there are other slates out there as well, but an Egyptian, nothing so tier as that. But anyway, yeah, this might be the end for at least a while. It's definitely something. I haven't done any PPRs like at all in over a month. My bad. You know, I was sick, and then my computer had crashed, and you know, apparently I forgot to schedule to do them this far out, so I never got the reminder to do them, and I'm all, when am I gonna get that reminder? I guess it must not be today. It's because that had, but anyway, yeah, this is, it's over for now, I mean, you know, so, If I ever come back, I might start doing these with Isle of Dogs quotes, though. That's going to be fun. I might actually get a chance to see that this weekend. I'll take it up with my parents. You know, because they're my ride, obviously.